Hey everyone! You know that feeling when you're just buried in spreadsheets, trying to make sense of what's really going on with your business finances? Well, today we're going to take a look at Finvoice, a platform designed to change all of that, giving you a super clear, live look at your company's financial health.
I mean, it's the big question for any business owner, right? And honestly, it's often the hardest one to answer with any real confidence. Are you making decisions based on data that's already a month old? Or are you just kind of going with your gut? That's exactly the kind of uncertainty Finvoice is built to get rid of.
So just imagine swapping all that chaos for calm, simple clarity. What Finvoice does is pull everything together and automate it. That means every single number you're looking at is always up to the minute. You get this instant, totally accurate picture of where your business really stands. Okay, so let's dive in. We're going to start right where you'd probably start your day, the main dashboard. Think of this as your financial command center. Right away, you can see everything that matters. Your cash flow, your profitability, revenue, expenses, it's all laid out for you. You don't have to go digging through a bunch of different reports. It's all right here, and it's all happening in real time. See this number right here? That's your net profit. And it's not just some static figure from last week. This is a living, breathing number. It changes with every single transaction, right up to this very second. Now that is the kind of accuracy you can really build a business on. All right, so how does this all come together in practice? Let's take a look at how Finvoice handles your day-to-day financial operations. Okay, so this is your transaction ledger. See how clean and organized it is? Everything's sorted automatically. This is really the foundation for all your financial data. So let's see it in action. We'll add a new expense right now. Adding a new transaction is seriously as simple as it looks. You just pop in the date, a quick description, the amount, and then you give it a category. In this case, we'll call it software and tools. We'll mark it as paid, and that's it, we're done. Okay, now watch this, because this is where the magic really happens. The second I save that transaction, boom. Every single report, every chart, it all updates automatically. You can see the monthly expense chart just jumped to include that $50. There's no lag and no hitting refresh, it just works. And managing your income, just as easy. Creating and sending out a professional invoice is just a few clicks. You pick your client, add what you did for them, set the due date, and send. After that, the system takes over, tracking its status so you always know exactly what's outstanding. So we've got all our daily activities getting logged in real time. But how do you turn all that raw data into smart business decisions? Well, that's where Finvoice's reporting and analytics really shine. You can totally say goodbye to spending hours building reports from scratch. Let's say you need a profit and loss statement for, the last quarter. All you have to do is select that date range. And just like that, the system just generates this clean, professional P&L report for you. It breaks down all your revenue, all your expenses, and gives you that all-important bottom line, your net profit. And you know the best part? It's always accurate. It's always ready for your accountant or for an audit. But Finvoice isn't just about tracking what's already happened. It also has some really powerful features for planning ahead and for secure administration. Basically, it's designed to grow right along with your business. You can stay on top of your spending by setting and tracking your budgets for any category you want. This visual breakdown makes it so easy to see where your money's going, control costs, and, really keep your financial strategy on the right track. And to make sure everything stays accurate, there's actually a pretty intelligent layer working behind the scenes. Finvoice uses AI to spot anything that looks unusual in your transactions. And it can even help you categorize things. And Finvoice is also built for teamwork. You can securely invite your accountant or other team members and give them specific permissions so they only see what they need to. You can even manage a few different business entities, all from one place, all locked down with things like multi-factor authentication. So, what does all this add up to for your business? Well, it means you have a really powerful platform that helps you manage your finances right now, but it's also built to support you as you grow down the road. Yeah, the bottom line is pretty simple. Your entire financial world, from the tiniest daily transaction all the way up to your big annual reports, it's all in one place. It's organized and it's always accessible. That's what having complete control and visibility really feels like. It really is everything you need to manage your business finances clearly, accurately, and confidently, all in one platform.